is Her Excellency Professor Jen Nana Opoku-Agyeman, the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana. So, ma'am, you are welcome. While we wait for the arrival of the President, the band will give us an interlude. Arriving now is the President of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Respectfully, shall we please stand to welcome him? We shall now have the national anthem. Thank you very much.